Hey guys, Wayne Britta with Medallion Pools of Texas. We're here on a fresh dig that I wanted to go over a couple of things that have been coming up recently in this market. One of them is called an overdig and one's called a compaction. And those are the two things I just want to briefly touch on. I got my tape measure folded at 12 inches. That is a standard beam thickness that's up top here. As you can see where my tape measure is, this is the outside, this is the inside. One of the things that you really got to be careful for is disturbing compaction rate around the pool shell. Once you disturb that, it is very difficult to make that compaction rate sound the way it was before. In other words, you will have catastrophic failure of your pool shell moving and shifting if it is disturbed, or i.e. overdug more than it needs to be dug here. Inside here is our standard steel call out. If you zoom down here, you can see the double structure of the steel. This is very common to how we do our digs when we're using Bobcat. Now, very critical with your overdig to make sure if it is done, it is compacted properly with the PSI test around the outside of the pool structure. Again, we don't do many overdigs unless we're doing it underneath or subterranean drainage. So I just want to call that out to you when people are giving you the smoke and mirrors, I call it, of overdig compaction, that there really isn't a really necessary need for it unless there is called out by a structural engineer. Again, most likely smoke and mirror, a way to get you separated from your money a lot faster when it's not needed. I'll see you next time.